Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to mount or unmount ISO file on Windows 11. For mounting, you can use two methods. First one is when you will right click on this one ISO file, then you will see mount option. Clicking on this, it will be mounted in a virtual drive. And another method is that if mount option is missing, then what you will do? Suppose this mount option is not available on your PC, then also you can mount using built-in options of Windows 11. For that, right click on this one ISO and select open with, and then Windows Explorer option. This will also mount ISO on Windows 11. And to unmount, you have to simply right click on mounted drive and select eject option. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel, Gear Up Windows, please subscribe. And if you are one that already have subscribed to our channel, then if you find this video useful, then press thumbs up button. Thank you for watching this video.